It is a ceremony that saw a total of 650 students from the Africa Nazarene University graduate after years of intense academic work.
And as you sit there where you're seated today, no doubt you have a plan, you have a dream, a burning ambition. Even if your plan today just consists of taking it easy for a while to throw off the accumulated stress of acquiring that degree.
Tracing its beginnings to the 19th century, the Vice-Chancellor says the institution has for all the years endeavored to fulfill its mission by providing quality education, facilitating worthwhile activities, and guiding students in the values of serving God and mankind. The chief guest had a few words for the graduates.
We look for people who are excellent in their field. But one of the great crises of our world today is that far too many people have settled for being average. It's interesting to me that when the Bible talks about a life of excellence, the analogy of an eagle is used.
The graduates now begin their journey through the challenging world of professional careers.